The Toyota Yaris key fob from 2007 to 2020 uses a CR232 battery to power its remote functions for locking, unlocking doors, and panic alerts. Here's how the remote works. The battery powers a transmitter circuit that sends radio frequency signals to communicate with the vehicle's immobilizer system. To replace the battery, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Start by inserting a key into the fob's edge to release the internal blade if your model has one, or use a screwdriver to carefully pry open the seam of the plastic casing. Take care to avoid cracking the case during this process. Once open, you'll see the internal circuit board and the battery. Note the battery's polarity with the positive side facing up before removing it. Now you're ready to swap the battery. With the fob open, remove the old CR2032 battery and insert the new one, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to see if the LED flashes. If it does, reassemble the case, reinsert the key blade if applicable, and test the functionality by locking, unlocking doors from a distance of 10 to 20 feet. If the remote still isn't working, check for corrosion on the circuit board. Clean it with isopropyl alcohol if necessary. A dealer-installed software lock or a chip failure might also be the cause, requiring a visit to Toyota service. To prevent future issues, store fobs away from metal objects to conserve battery life.